Good morning, students. Today we are going to see appreciation of the poem Tansen. Let's read the appreciation of the poem. The title of the poem is Tansen. It tells us about the main character of the poem, that is Tansen. It has been written by Hazrat Inayat Khan, known for his brilliance in poetry and music. And he was given many awards and medals of honor for his magnificent singing. Tansen is a narrative poem which tells us about a story involving King Akbar and one of his Navratnas, the great singer Tansen. It delivers the philosophical thoughts of the poem. This poem has 23 couplets, each line rhyming with the other. The rhyme scheme of the poem is A, B, B, and so on. The poet has used various figures of speech to give the greater poetic effect. The figures of speech, such as simile, metaphor, alliteration, inversion, tautology, and onomatopoeia, etc., are used in this poem. The tone of the poem is mystical. The central idea of the poem is that this poem gives the reader a very deep perspective, creating in them an urge to understand the true meaning of the life in the poem. It highlights the power of devotion to God. Just like the Ustad and his singing, we can create magic when we only have God on our mind and when we voluntarily dedicate our life and all our activities to Him. In this way, we have seen appreciation of the poem in paragraph format. Students, you have to write this appreciation in your classwork. Thank you.